You know, it's interesting how much we take for granted the little things in life, like our homes, a place where we feel safe, where we create memories, and where we can truly be ourselves. But lately, the conversation around housing has taken a turn. And it's not just about paint colors or square footage anymore. It's about the economy, interest rates, and what it all means for us as everyday people. Let's dive into what's been happening. So the Federal Reserve has been making headlines lately with talks of a potential rate cut. If you're like me, you might be thinking, what does that even mean for my life? And well, let's break it down. When the Fed cuts rates, it's like a ripple effect that sends waves through the economy. It can make borrowing cheaper, which sounds great, right? Lower mortgage rates could mean more people can afford to buy homes. It's like opening the floodgates to a whole new wave of buyers. But here's where it gets tricky. You see, while a rate cut can be good for home buyers, it can also lead to higher demand for housing, which pushes prices up. So if you're a first-time home buyer, you might be excited about lower interest rates, but that excitement can quickly turn into frustration as you see prices soar. It's a classic case of supply and demand. More buyers chasing after limited homes can create a competitive market, and that can be tough, especially for those of us just trying to find a place we can call our own. And let's not forget the renters out there. If you're renting, you might be thinking, how does this affect me? Well, when home prices go up, rental prices often follow suit. Landlords see an opportunity to raise rents, and suddenly you're paying more for the same space. It feels like a never-ending cycle of financial strain, doesn't it? You work hard, and yet it seems like every time you turn around, the cost of living just keeps creeping up. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but isn't a rate cut supposed to help? Yes, in theory, it is. The idea is that by lowering rates, the Fed is trying to stimulate the economy. They want people to spend more, invest more, and ultimately, that should lead to economic growth. But the reality is often messier than the theory. It's not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about real lives and real struggles. And here's another layer to the conversation: inflation. We've all felt the pinch at the grocery store, or when filling up our gas tanks. Inflation can erode purchasing power, making it even harder for people to save for that down payment on a house. It's like running a marathon with weights strapped to your back. You're trying your best, but the obstacles just keep piling up. So what does this all mean for you? It's essential to stay informed. Whether you're a homeowner, a prospective buyer, or a renter, understanding these economic shifts can empower you to make better financial decisions. Knowledge is power, and in times like these, it can also be a lifeline. If you're feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. We're all navigating this complex landscape together, and that's why I'm here. I want to break down these topics in a way that's relatable and easy to understand. So, if you're looking for more insights on housing, the economy, and how it all impacts your life, make sure to subscribe to my channel.